10 Winter Foods to Eat to Avoid Colds and Flu. We share the best immune-boosting foods to add to your diet to fight colds and flu, from green tea to avocado. Cold and flu prevention foods in the winter. Winter is cold and flu season, and it can be challenging to stay healthy when everyone around you is sick. Getting your yearly flu shot is one of the best ways to protect your health. However, prevention does not end there. Your diet can also help boost your immune system. Here are some of the best immune-boosting foods to include in your diet to help prevent colds and flu. Root vegetables. Vitamin C may help shorten the duration of colds and improve symptoms, making it an essential nutrient for cold weather months. Yes, oranges are a good source, but so are root vegetables, making them a great addition to soups and stews. Among the many vegetables to consider are beets, turnips, parsnips, and carrots. Green tea. Green tea is an excellent choice for a hot beverage during the winter months. It provides minerals and vitamins that aid in developing your immune system. The way it is processed has more health benefits than other caffeinated teas. The leaves are dried and lightly steamed rather than fermented, like other black teas. In addition, catechins, a type of antioxidant found in tea, can help protect against viruses. Oatmeal. Set aside the Cheerios and make room for oatmeal, a healthier winter meal option. There's a lot of zinc in there, as well as soluble fiber. Zinc boosts the immune system, while fiber keeps you feeling warm and fuller for longer. If you omit the butter and brown sugar and top your bowl with dried or fresh fruit, it will be even healthier. Brussel sprouts. It's time to branch out and try some lesser-known greens. Many of these vegetables heal and benefit your body in numerous ways. Give Brussels sprouts a second chance. Delicious when added to your meal of turkey or chicken and paired with spices, these superfoods will keep you healthy. Brussels sprouts contain antioxidants that help get rid of the sniffles and promote strong bones. Butternut squash. As the winter temperature drops, take advantage of butternut squash. It will provide your body with the nutrients it requires at this time of year. Vitamin A, potassium, and fiber are all essential nutrients. By including butternut squash in your winter diet, you can lower your risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Kale. Are you looking for a different take on soup? Salad with kale. It will provide you with the health benefits of dark leafy greens that you usually get from a salad. Kale contains vitamins A, C, K, E, iron, calcium, manganese, and potassium. Make it for your lunch break or use it in any dish. Pomegranates. This fruit has a short shelf life and is very difficult to peel, but the extra effort is well worth it. The fruit's potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories not only keep you from getting a cold but can also protect your heart by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. For lunch, sprinkle the seeds on top of your oatmeal or salad. Potatoes. This time of year, your body craves warmth, so choose heat-producing foods like potatoes and yams. Eating vegetables, such as potatoes, may help your circulation system, making them candidates for cardiovascular disease prevention and treatment. It is believed that their cardioprotective effects include anti-inflammation, blood pressure reduction, blood sugar regulation, and other biomarkers linked to cardiovascular disease risk. Pumpkin. This squash should be included in your diet in addition to Halloween and Thanksgiving pies. Pumpkin is high in beta-carotene and a good source of fiber, which can help you avoid mindless snacking during those long nights near the kitchen. It's also high in vitamin A, which can help boost your immune system and fight infections. Avocado. Avocados are a year-round smart choice because they are a must-have for guacamole, toast's best friend, and a favorite of nearly every health nut. It contains various vitamins and minerals and healthy monounsaturated fats that can protect your heart and boost your immunity. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and like and share it with any family or friends who find it helpful. Please hit the subscribe button.